Hello everyone and welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today I want to share with you a delicious lemon cheesecake recipe that you will fall in love. To be informed about my new recipes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. So let's get started. First of all, let's pass 2 packs, that is 270 grams of biscuits through the kitchen robot until they become very thin. And let's take them in a bowl. Let's add 100 grams of butter by melting it and mix it well. I placed greaseproof paper on the base of 24 cm diameter springform pan. Let's spread our biscuit mortar on it. If you want, press it firmly with a spoon and straighten it out. Or you can adjust it with a thick bottom glass. We need to press on it tightly. And the base of our cheesecake is ready. Let's put it in the fridge. Let's add a cup of sugar, a pack of baking cream, and 400 grams of mild cream cheese into the mixing bowl for the mixture. And whisk our mortar until the sugar in it dissolves with the mixer. Please do not use the mixer at high speed. If there are too many air bubbles in it, there will be cracks during the cooking phase. Now, let's sift 2 tablespoons of flour and add it. And let's add 1 tablespoon of starch by sifting it again. Let's add a pack of vanilla and whisk it with the mixer at the middle setting. I added about a teaspoon of grated lemon peel to it. Now add 3 eggs one by one. See, as you can see in the video. Let's make it blend in one by one. Finally, I added the third egg. Let's whisk it with the mixer until it mixes well. Our mortar is ready. Then take out our base waiting in the fridge. Let's wrap the edges with foil, starting from the bottom part. Now, pour our mortar on it. I didn't grease the edges of the mold. Let's tap so that the bubbles come out. I place hot water in a bowl on the base of the 160-degree preheated oven. And I placed my mold on the middle shelf. Let's bake it for 45–50 minutes in 160-degree oven. My cake was baked in 45 minutes. I turn off the oven now. And I leave the oven door ajar for about 15 minutes, as you can see in the video. After 15 minutes, our cake came out of the oven. Let's put our cake at room temperature in the fridge. Let's keep it in the fridge for about 4–5 hours. Now, let's take 1½ cups of water into our saucepan for the sauce. Let's add a teacup of sugar, half a teacup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And now, grate the peel of a lemon with the thin side of the grater and add it. Now I am adding 1 full tablespoon of starch. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of turmeric. We use it to make it yellow. It is optional, you don't have to add it. Let's mix it with the whisk first and take it to the stove. We stir it constantly until it boils over medium heat. If you want your sauce to have more fluid consistency, you can use a little less starch. After it starts to boil, we'll let it boil for 1-2 more minutes on low heat and take it from the stove. And let's pour our hot sauce on the cheesecake that we kept in fridge for a few hours. Let's shake it and later put it in the fridge when it is at room temperature. I recommend that you keep it in the fridge for at least 3-4 hours. I kept it in the fridge for one night by covering it with a plastic wrap. I want to make roast from lemons to decorate my cheesecake, and I want to share this with you and show how I did it. Let's cut a lemon in half and slice it, as you can see in the video, to be as thin as possible. Then place them as you can see in the video, with 3 slightly overlapping. And let's wrap them as you can see. The middle part of our rose is ready. Look, holding it with one hand as you can see in the video, let's create our rose by placing lemon slices on the edges. Then look, in this way, let's complete our rose by placing the lemon slices on the edges. You can adjust the size as you wish. I shaped a rose as you can see. I took the cheesecake out the fridge. Let's unmold now. Look, it came out of the mold very easily. And it has a beautiful yellow color thanks to turmeric. Let's place the rose that we have prepared in the middle of our cheesecake. Then let's create the petals of our rose by placing some mint leaves. And with this magnificent visual, our lemon cheesecake is ready for service. As you can see, it has a great view and it has a very delicious taste. I hope you will try and like it too. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.